Hey everyone, welcome back to another short unboxing and review. Today in this video, I like to share you guys OnePlus 13R. Alright, first of all talk about the box content. You get one SIM ejector tool, some paper, two sticker and one soft case, one USB Type-C cable, an 80-watt adapter, and lastly, our OnePlus 13R. OnePlus 13R comes with a beautiful design with a small circular camera module. The smartphone built with Gorilla Glass 7i in the front, aluminum frame and glass back, and the phone also offers you IP65 rating. Moving to the display, the phone comes with 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED panel with 1B color, and the phone comes with LTPO 120Hz refresh rate, and the peak brightness is 4500 nits. Security wise, the phone comes with under-display optical fingerprint scanner and face unlock, which is very fast and secure. On the performance sector, the phone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC with 12GB RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. On the software side, the phone running Oxygen OS 15 with Android 15, and the phone also offers you 4 major Android updates. Now let's talk about the camera section. The phone comes with a triple camera setup, 50 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom and 8 megapixel ultra wide, and the front is come with 16 megapixel single selfie camera. The smartphone main camera you can record highest 4K 60fps video, and very soon the smartphone long time full review and also gaming review and camera review coming our channel, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. In the battery department, the phone comes with a huge 6000 mAh battery with 80-watt fast charger. Let me know in the comment what you think about OnePlus 13R. Waiting for our full review coming our channel very soon. So that's all about our video. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.